Alright guys, so for the warm-up, it's kind of a follow-along video. Maybe do it 2 to 3 times when you guys do this, but I'm going to lead you through one set. If you need to pause it, you want to write it down, just watch the video and then write this. Oh, actually the warm-up is already in the notes. But how to start is you're going to start in a plank position, then push back into a child's pose, then roll the back and go right leg forward, push back, left leg forward, then you'll push back again, back to right leg, and you'll twist all the way up, and then you'll twist opposite arm, push back, left leg's forward, twist other arm, and then push back. That's one set. Probably do 2 to 3 for that one. Once you're done, grab an empty barbell. You're going to go 5 muscle cleans from mid-shin. From there, you're going to go 5 power clean drops. So that's this barbell in the front rack. Catching just like that. Full 5 power cleans. And then into 5 front squats. Just make sure you get your elbows up nice and high. PDC doesn't do justice for it. From there, your workout is going to be every minute on the minute for as long as possible. You shouldn't be failing within the minute within the first 10 minutes. So you should be scaling this weight and reps to be able to fit within 45 seconds, maybe even 50 seconds. So you do want to have that 10-second rest for this. So it's going to start with the 3 power cleans. If you don't have a barbell, same reps for dumbbells, into 4 front squats, and then 5 lateral burpees. When we're doing our lateral burpees, you don't need to open the hips all the way up, so you just go down and then hop over the bar. So the burpee rep though is down and hop. That's 1 rep. If you're doing the body weight, you're just going to do up downs in place of power cleans, jumping air squats in place of front squats, and then just regular burpees for the lateral burpees. For the accessory work, we got kneeling goblet squats. So we've done these before, but you can use a kettlebell or a dumbbell. Your feet will be up, heels, butt will go to the heels, and then squeeze your glutes at the top. So it'll be every 2 minutes for 5 sets, 15 of these. Then you'll go into 10 and 10 single leg banded Bulgarian split squats. So you can start whatever you're using, box or bench, both feet together, and then take 2 steps. 1, 2. From there, grab your band, like so, and then foot on the bench. Then from there, the kneecap hits the bench. We'll do 10 on one leg, switch feet, and then 10 on the other leg.